Hi everyone, welcome to Talk Easy English. Today, we'll learn how to introduce yourself in English. Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Mike. I'm 21 years old. I'm from the United States. I'm a student.
Hello, Mike. I'm Nikki. I'm 20 years old. I'm from England. I'm a teacher.
Nice to meet you, Nikki. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books, listening to music, and cooking. How about you?
I like playing football, watching movies, and traveling.
That's great. Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a mother, a father, and one brother. How about you?
I have a mother, a father, and 2 sisters.
Do you have a favorite food?
Yes, I like rice and noodles. What about you?
I like pizza and hamburgers.
That's interesting.
Yes, it's nice to meet someone new and learn about them.
Nice to meet you too, Mike.
Great job, everyone. Now you know how to introduce yourself in English. Don't forget to practice with your friends and say your name with confidence. If you liked this lesson, please like, subscribe, and join me in the next video on Talk Easy English. See you soon.